Hi, this is Mainuddin Kabiriko. I will be presenting my uh, assignment 1 Unity arcade game for mobile. My student ID is 101337740, and now I will directly go to GitHub and show you my collaborator, which is Sinan Khalid. And here's my game Space Rider, and this is my commit. And yeah, now I will directly go to Unity and start my game over here. uh, these are my scripts, but I'll directly go to the scene. So according to the assignment, it said like it's a game over state, game scene, instruction, and main menu. So this is going to be the main menu. And over here, this is like the volume button for the shooting. Like it says pew pew whenever I shoot, so you can control the volume here. And this is the music volume controller, and the music can get a bit loud, so I'm gonna put them in the middle for now, and I might increase it inside the game so that you can have a proper demonstration. And as you can see over here, it's the instruction of how you can control the game. So slide left or right and tap to shoot. It's that simple. And if we press home again, we'll be returned to the main menu. Now I will directly go to the start, press start, and play the game. So before we start, over here, as you can see, there's a scoring system, and this is Space Rider, so let us fly. So on the bottom corner, left corner over here, you can see there's like two little spaceships. These are my life. Like if I die, I'm dead. And you can see the enemy is like shooting with the AI is shooting. So if I shoot the enemy, like it gives me like a power up. Like let me try and catch a power up. I got it, and it shoots like 3. So yeah, and as you can see, the meteors, like they get destroyed to like the 2 pieces, like and over here this is like a shield. So with shield I can like tackle one, and I won't die. Like that's the logic. So yes, this is about the game. So as you can see, like I will increase my music a little, and I can control the volume of the music. And I can control the volume of the shooting, like for my laser as well. And I died again. And yes, this is pretty much it about the game so far, and everything's been done according to the assignment. And here's my scripts, my background, my enemy, game controller, overlay player, power up, everything. So this is my music script, controller. And what do we have here? This is the enemy ship, and asteroid respawning, and everything is over here. And yeah, this is pretty much it for my assignment video. I think you like it. I'm gonna be signing off. Thank you very much. You have a good night or good day.